Good morning, student. Today's our maths lecture. See, chapter number 13, three-dimensional object and nets. See, here is given two-dimensional drawing of three-dimension object. Here is see one of the images given, and this image is going first front view, then view from one side and view from above. It means it is a three side, two side, one side. It is the going the same picture in the different view. Okay, so this is the called the three-dimensional object. See in the figure which have only length, breadth, but no thickness or no eligible thickness are called two-dimensional figure. The object around us, for example, building, a tree, a car, etc., are all three-dimensional objects which have length, breadth, height. However, this picture on paper are two-dimensional, three-dimensional objects appearing different when observed from different angle. For example, an elephant looks different when it is observed from different angle. So children, it is one of the example. You already seen the 3D image, the shading image, the one of the picture which have a shade. So how it look from the front side, above side. This we done drawing also. So see, it is a here is given one of the image of elephant. When we see from its front, it's look like this. When we see it's from any side, so it look like this. But when we see from above, ऊपर से अगर हमने एलिफेंट को देखा तो ये इस तरह लगेगा. मतलब इमेज एक ही है, बट इट्स कंटेन हाउ फ्रॉम वी आर सीइंग. अगर हम लोग ने फ्रंट साइड से देखा तो इसको क्या फ्रंट वाला इमेज जो सेक्शन हमारे आईज में है वही हमें दिखेगा, ये साइड का नहीं दिखेगा. व्हेन वी सी फ्रॉम साइड, दैट टाइम दिस फ्रंट सेक्शन इज नॉट सीइंग, ओनली दिस इज शोइंग वन ऑफ द drawing line, like that we can see. And this is one of the upper side. From above we have to see. In the lowest classes you have learned plan figure and solid plan figure like a square, rectangle, triangle, circle, etc. are two-dimensional. Solid like a cube, cubit, cone, cylinder are the three-dimensional. See, and last year what we see, the solid of the just like a square we seen, rectangle we seen, triangle we seen, circle we seen. These are a two-dimensional. And now for this year we will going to see cube, cubit, cone and cylinder. This is a three-dimensional. Triangle, rectangle, square. This is a two-dimensional. Solid, this is a cube, cubit, cone. This is our three-dimensional. See, here simple given picture. Just observe this one. हमें कोई भी जब पिक्चर देखता है तो हमें एक ही चीज, अगर हम लोग ने तीन ही साइड से देखी तो उसको अलग अलग व्यूज आते. ओके, सो दिस ओनली हियर इज गिवन. सी, दिस इज द इमेज. इट्स हाउ लुक फ्रॉम द साइड व्यू, फ्रंट व्यू, एंड इट इज फ्रॉम अबव एंड इट इज फ्रॉम फ्रंट व्यू. अगर ये हमारे सामने ये इमेज है तो उसको हम लोग अगर फ्रंट साइड से देखे तो ये है, साइड से देखे तो ये है, और ऊपर से देखे तो ये है. दिस इज फ्रंट साइड, दिस इज अबव साइड, एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम वन साइड. दिस इज फ्रंट साइड, दिस इज अबव साइड, एंड दिस इज फ्रॉम एनी वन साइड. ओके, दिस इज फ्रंट साइड, अबव साइड, एंड दिस इज वन साइड. Here is again see, same thing we have to observe here. This is front side, this is above side, and this is any one side. In this thing, there's you asking, this is a side view or not, this is a front view or not, sorry, above view or not, or this is a front view or not. For that as answer, we never need to be think, we need to observe only this figure. Okay, so you have to compare this image. This is looking first above or this, what is they asking, and we have to put the right or wrong. See another images here. This is a which look, front look, जो हमें exactly सामने से दिखता है. This is above look, ऊपर से दिखता है, और this is our side look. Okay, this is we can see from side. front, above and one side. Okay. Here is given another image. Object is given. Now here is cone, this spiral and cylinder. Here is also we have to see front side, above side and the one side. Okay, just for this also and this also. This given dark and light shade for understanding you. Okay, see, read and learn. This is a few important topics is given which is we know, but now we will going to repeat this one with our mathematical manner. The two-dimensional shape from which the three-dimensional object can be made by folding is called the net of that object. The two-dimensional shape, what is given? When the two-dimensional shape front from which three-dimensional object can be made by folding called the net of object. If you visit factory or cardboard boxes, you will see net of card boxes prepared according to required dimension. Look at the net and box prepared from it. See, this is the one of the shape is given, how it is going to be fold. जो shapes हमें already दिए होते हैं उसको fold करके हम लोग new cubed बनाते हैं या फिर new box बनाते हैं. So this is called the net of that object. See, it is simple given. This is the given in open form. Now we will fold and like any boxes packing its look. So it is called the net of that object. After that, on holding net along the lines, we get a box which the surface are square. It is cube shaped box. See, again here is given. इसको हम लोग ने फर्स्ट फोल्ड मारा है, देन सेकेंड और ये साइड फोल्ड है और इससे ये वाला बना है. और इसको हमारे स्मॉल स्मॉल बॉक्सेस रहते हैं केक जिसमें हम लोग पेस्ट्री पैक करते हैं. ओके, इसमें हमारी वाटर बॉटल का जो बॉक्स रहता है लाइक दैट और अनदर एनी शेप्स विच इज द अंडर कम इन दिस सेक्शन. ओके, हियर इज अनदर, इससे भी इस तरह से बॉक्स बनता है. ओके, so this is the net. 5 square of the same size are placed together with side joined. The net is called the petomena. On the folding of the net along legs get open boxes which are surface are square. So this is another point. See, this is the we learn net of that object, and here is we see the net is called pentomino. See, this is simple and nothing difficult for us. Just we have to observe the shape and try to understand its first side, above side, and then we have to see its one side. Then here is given the open folded, how the open space or we have marking, and then after we will make the boxes how it look like. So it is called the net. The 2 point is given. Just we have to understand how the three-dimensional work. So our lesson is here over. Just observe this one also given. Just we have to understand how it is going to be draw, how it is going to be shape. This is our three-dimensional. Okay, it's again here is given. Just observe. Your observation is very important. See all this. All of you, best of luck. See this again and again. Try to understand three-dimensional object and net object. Nets.